Revolutionizing construction, the rise of autonomous vehicles and drones for enhanced site efficiency. In the world of construction, the dawn of autonomy is upon us, transforming how projects are executed, from skyscrapers to highways. Autonomous construction vehicles, equipped with cutting-edge AI, now navigate sites with precision, reducing human error and enhancing safety. These smart machines tirelessly work, day and night, moving materials and preparing grounds, all without a coffee break. Meanwhile, drones take to the skies, their cameras keenly monitoring progress, offering real-time insights that were once unimaginable. They also play a critical role in transporting smaller materials to hard-to-reach areas, making logistics a breeze. This synergy between autonomous vehicles and drones is not just streamlining operations, but also